Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can create a group in your Windows operating system. So how you can do that? Okay. So go to start bar and search here computer management. Okay. And open it the computer management. Okay. So just open and now you can see here there are lots of options. So you can see local user and groups option. Okay, so click on it and go to group option. Okay, here you can see there are lots of option here. Okay, so right click just here and you can see the new group option here. Okay, so click on it, new group, and now assign the name. Okay, so I'll say admin group. Okay, so this is the admin group. If I want to add some users, I can also add the users from here. Okay, so let's suppose I want to add Raj. Okay, you can search the Raj here and just like Raj and check the name and it will check the name. And also you can go with advanced option and find now, and now you can search the username Raj. Okay, just like this, Raj. Okay, so click OK and OK, and now you can see the user Raj. I make the member, okay, of the admin group. Okay, and let's create and close it. Okay, so you can see the last option. This is the admin group. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and also there are lots of options here, and I'll talk about later in these options. So that's it for today, and thank you for being here.